Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Kinesis Freestyle Pro, an ergonomic split keyboard that promises to revolutionize your typing experience. We'll be covering everything from design and build quality to its unique features and overall performance. But before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and tech insights. Let's jump right in. Starting with the design, the Kinesis Freestyle Pro doesn't scream flashy, but it's all about functionality. It's a split keyboard, meaning you can customize the placement of the two modules for optimal comfort. The matte black finish gives it a sleek, professional look, although the overall design might not win any design awards. Now, when it comes to build quality, Kinesis has done a decent job. The keyboard feels sturdy and durable, which is essential for a product designed to be used daily. However, there's a notable downside here: the keys themselves. They have a cheaper feel to them, with ABS keycaps that seem prone to wear over time. One standout feature is the freedom of placement. With a generous cable length connecting the modules, you can position them as far apart as you like, promoting a more ergonomic typing posture. This flexibility is a major plus for users looking to alleviate strain during long typing sessions. Let's talk about the most crucial aspect: the typing experience. The Freestyle Pro offers Cherry MX Brown and Quiet Red switches, catering to both tactile and linear preferences. During my testing, typing felt comfortable and relatively quiet, though some users may find the keys a bit too plasticky for the price point. I've seen improvements in my typing speed and accuracy over time, thanks to the split layout that reduces strain on my wrists and shoulders. It took a brief adjustment period to get used to the split design, but once accustomed, it's hard to go back to a traditional keyboard setup. Now, let's dive into the special features. The Freestyle Pro includes dedicated macro keys and office hotkeys, such as cut, copy, and paste. These shortcuts are handy for productivity buffs and make navigating through tasks a breeze once you get the hang of them. Another standout feature is the onboard remapping capability. Unlike many competitors, you can remap keys on the fly without needing additional software, enhancing your workflow efficiency without interruptions. Despite its strengths, the Freestyle Pro does have its drawbacks. Firstly, the base keyboard doesn't come with essential ergonomic accessories like adjustable feet or wrist rests. These accessories are sold separately, adding to the already premium price tag of the keyboard. Moreover, there's a surprising omission: backlighting. In today's market, even basic white backlighting can aid in typing in low light conditions. And its absence here might be a deal breaker for some users. So, where does that leave us with the Kinesis Freestyle Pro? It's undoubtedly a solid choice for anyone looking to improve their typing ergonomics. The customizable split design and ergonomic benefits make it a worthwhile investment for long-term health and productivity gains. However, its higher price point and the need to purchase additional accessories for optimal comfort may deter budget-conscious consumers. If you prioritize ergonomic benefits over aesthetics and don't mind investing a bit more for a healthier typing experience, the Freestyle Pro could be the keyboard for you. That wraps up our review of the Kinesis Freestyle Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, stay tuned for more tech reviews and insights. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. See you in the next video.